I'm not sure if I caught that one, but I leaned back to try to catch him. I'm laughing because this table's not so stable. I think I'll try again. Where's your favorite place to see the sunset? Do you have a place that you go to watch the sunset? Do you give yourself permission to watch the sunset? There's the geese again. There they are. Not sure if you can see them. Let me take the camera down a little. They're right there in the water. Not sure if you guys saw that the Canadian geese take Manhattan. I do have a video just about them because it's a little bit odd.
When they first saw me, like, do my wrist like that on my hand.
It was a little bit odd to see, you know, a couple hundred Canadian geese downtown, but it was so beautiful. And I was certain that it was my calling to be, you know, next stop a safari in Kenya. It was the concrete jungle safari. Yep, there's the Manhattan Kayak Club right there. And if I don't get the comments in fast enough, right, make sure to ask me any questions that you have in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Oh my goodness, look at those beautiful birds. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna sound like a broken record, but I need 500 subscribers in like 68 days. Oh, look at that. All the beautiful birds. Sometimes when I see people like in really great shape and they're running, and I feel like it's part of their regular like habits to do that, it's like I kind of just want to stop them and say, you know what, thank you for being like a role model for me today. I wonder what would happen if you walked around in life and everyone that you saw that was doing something that you thought was really nice or cool or interesting, what if you just walked up to them and said, you know what, I really appreciate what you're doing. What if you just showed like gratitude to pure strangers on a daily basis? Like what would happen? Like, what would happen in this world if we all like expressed whatever we thought of someone in a positive way randomly as it came to us? Gosh, what would happen to this world? I don't know. Sometimes I'm too short for the railings, but I caught the sun today. So coming up on the right is a cool restaurant where there's a bar, and then you get on the boat and there's seafood. And I've never been on it, but I've always wanted to go on it. And I think maybe it goes out and you eat as you're out, but I'm not really sure. Maybe you just sit on the boat. But here it is right here. The Destiny North River Lobster Company. Yeah, I love lobster. When I was growing up, Red Lobster was a super big treat. You know, and to maybe people who are fancy schmancy, they think, oh, but that was a chain, you know, that was a chain restaurant. What's the big deal? Well, it was a big deal to me. It was a real big deal to me. I love the water. And I'm really glad to share with you this beautiful scenery of the Hudson River, and to share with you a sunset. Because think about how many sunrises and how many sunsets we all miss in our daily busy life. she provides us with so much beauty and so much vitamin D. Very, very important, our vitamin D. So maybe, just maybe, oh, there's a dead pigeon. How sad. I'm not going to show you. I'm not sure if the wide angle is catching it, but I'm not going to show you. I think I'm going to